Every day you see big websites like Amazon, Netflix, and so many others, and you probably catch yourself thinking, how can I build my own website too? Don't worry. Whether you have a laptop or just a smartphone, you can do this. The exact method I'm using today is the same on both devices. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own website from scratch and publish it so people can actually visit it, using just one prompt, with no coding, no HTML, no JavaScript, nothing technical. First, take a look at the website I created so you can see it for yourself, and then tell me how it looks to you. In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to build a website like this, or even better, and publish online for free. If this is your first time here, don't stress at all. This channel is where you're going to learn everything you need step by step. All you need to do is subscribe and I'll handle the rest. You're watching AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. My name is Fred, and we're in this together. If you ever get stuck or confused, just drop your question in the comments. Your comments give me motivation and help me know what video to make for you next. And if you really want to understand this, watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip, because everything connects. All right, let's get started. Today we're going to use Google Sites and Gemini AI. That's it, no extra tools. First, open Chrome or any browser you use. To avoid getting lost on the wrong website, type this in the search bar: https://www.newgooglesites.com/. If that feels hard, don't worry. You'll find the link in the description and in the comments. You'll also find the link to the website we're building today, so you can visit it and see how it looks. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Google Sites page. Take a second to look at it, then click on Create a Website. You'll see a new page open. That's your website workspace. Now I'm going to show you how we'll use a prompt to let AI build the website content for us. Most people use drag and drop and build everything manually. That works, but it's slow and takes a lot of time. We're going to speed things up with AI. Open a new tab and search for Gemini AI. Click on the official site and you'll land on Gemini's main page. If it's your first time, just create an account. It's simple. Now we need to give Gemini a powerful prompt. If you ever struggle to write prompts, you can use tools like Smart GPT-5 and Copilot, or even ChatGPT to help you rewrite your idea into clear English. AI understands many languages, but for Gemini, English works best, especially for technical stuff like code. Here's the prompt I wrote for my website, called Mr. Fred Business. I've prepared a document for you, but reading it out loud would take too much time. You'll find the link in the comments or in the description. Go ahead and read the full prompt I created to build a professional website like this one. I've prepared a document for you, but reading it out loud would take too much time. You'll find the link in the comments or in the description. Go ahead and read the full prompt I created to build a professional website like this one. You should remember this part clearly. You must ask Gemini for HTML code, because Google Sites lets us embed HTML. That's the trick that makes this work. So after you paste your prompt into Gemini, choose the thinking mode if you have it, because it usually gives better, more careful results. But if you only have the fast mode, that's fine too. Paste your prompt, hit submit, and let Gemini generate the code. You'll see a long block of HTML code. Don't panic, that's normal. You don't need to understand it. Your job is just to copy it. Once the code is ready, scroll up, select all of it, and copy it. Now, go back to your Google Sites tab. On the right side, click on Pages. Then click the plus icon to add a new page. Give your page a name. This could be anything you want. For my example, I'll call it Mr. Fred Business. After that, click on Insert. Then scroll down until you see Embed. Click Embed, then choose Embed Code. You'll see a message that says, paste the HTML code from the site you want to embed. This is where you paste the HTML code you copied from Gemini. Paste it, click Next, wait a few seconds, and you'll see your website preview appear. Then click Insert. Now you can resize the embedded section so it fits nicely on the page. You've basically just dropped a full website into your Google site. If you want, you can customize the title at the top. Select the text, make it bold, change the color, and even upload a background image or your logo. For my site, I use the name Mr. Fred Business as the logo text, just to show you how it works. Now let's preview the site. Click on the preview icon at the top. This shows you exactly how your website will look when it's live. You'll see the contact email for the website owner, the PayPal email for gifts, or buy me a coffee. The forms where creators and brands can enter their names, choose their role, and add their PayPal email. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time for the final step: publish. Click on Publish at the top. Under web address, type the name you want for your site. This will be part of your free Google Sites URL. If you want a custom domain like .com or .net, you can click Try Google Workspace and buy a professional domain later. But for now, we'll keep it free. Click on Manage if you want to see who owns the site or add other people as managers. I'm the owner here using my email, but you can invite others if you want. Make sure your site is set to public, so anyone can see it after you publish. Then click Done and Confirm. Now your site is officially published. You'll see the public link to your website. You can visit it, share it, or edit it anytime if you want to improve it later. Click View to see your live website as the public will see it. If you want to check it yourself, the link will be in the description and comments of this video. I made this video to show you that you don't need to be a programmer to build something real. If you want more tutorials, like how to buy a custom domain, connect it, or build more advanced features, tell me in the comments. If you watched this video to the end, let me know in the comments so I can see that my time and effort actually helped you. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next videos packed with real, practical knowledge, right here on AI Builders Academy. From nothing to something, that's the journey we're on.